Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out something straight out of the future. The brand new Meta Ray-Ban display, AI glasses paired with the Meta Neural Band 2025. This is Meta's boldest step yet in wearable AI. So let's jump right into it. So first up, the packaging. Meta clearly went premium here. Matte black box, smooth pull tab, and that clean Ray-Ban plus Meta branding up front. It feels modern, minimal, and definitely like you're unboxing a flagship device. Inside the box, we've got the glasses neatly tucked into their charging case, the Neural Band in a slim compartment, a braided USB-C cable, and, of course, the quick start guide. Nothing overwhelming, just the essentials. Setup is super simple. The glasses live inside this sleek charging case that doubles as a hardshell Ray-Ban case. Snap them in, and you get around 24 hours of total battery life. Pairing to your phone and the Neural Band is almost instant through the MetaView app. Really seamless. Now, let's talk about the glasses themselves. They look just like classic Ray-Bans, but with a subtle, futuristic touch. They're lightweight, balanced, and the lenses are where the magic happens. The Neural Band is this slim, comfortable strap you wear around your wrist. It picks up electrical signals from your muscles, so instead of tapping your glasses, you can control them with tiny gestures like pinching your fingers. It feels like sci-fi, but it actually works. Inside the glasses, you get a micro in-lens display. Notifications, navigation, real-time translations, all projected subtly, without blocking your view. Paired with EMG from the Neural Band, you can scroll, select, or dismiss with just tiny hand movements. It's supernatural. Here's where it gets crazy. Live AI. Just ask out loud, or even through subtle gestures, and the assistant answers right in your field of view. It can summarize your emails, identify landmarks, or even translate conversations in real time. Texting and captions are a big highlight. You can dictate or gesture reply to messages, and if you're in a noisy place, live captions appear right in your lenses. Accessibility-wise, this is a game changer. Of course, you've got the built-in cameras. Just tap or gesture to snap photos or record clips hands-free. Content goes straight to your phone for sharing. No fumbling, no missing the moment. So that's the Meta Ray-Ban display AI glasses with a Neural Band. A real glimpse into the future of wearable AI. Stylish, powerful, and surprisingly natural to use. What do you think? Is this the next big step or just a cool experiment? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.